Which town was recently declared a corporation according to the article Nandini read? A. Chennai. B. Coimbatore. C. Madurai. D. Avadi. The correct answer is D. Avadi. What is the tenure period for representatives of local self-government? A. 4 years. B. 3 years. C. 6 years. D. 5 years. The correct answer is D. 5 years. What is directly linked to an increase in a woman's earning capabilities? A. Literacy rates. B. GDP. C. Human trafficking. D. Education. The correct answer is D. Education. What does the text indicate is a learning objective related to Panchayat Raj? A. Its historical origins and founders. B. Its financial regulations and budgeting. C. Its international recognition and influence. D. Its nature and working. The correct answer is D. Its nature and working. What does the term government refer to? A. A collection of laws. B. An economic system. C. A single leader. D. A group with authority to govern. The correct answer is D. A group with authority to govern. What is the primary role of the leader of the opposition party? A. To manage international relations. B. To support all policies of the ruling party. C. To campaign for the ruling party. D. To oppose wrong policies of the ruling party. The correct answer is D. To oppose wrong policies of the ruling party. Which language is recognized by the Constitution of India as an official language? A. All of the above. B. English. C. Tamil. D. Hindi. The correct answer is D. Hindi. Which type of countries will students become familiar with regarding India's policies? A. Developing nations. B. South American countries. C. Neighboring countries. D. African countries. The correct answer is C. Neighboring countries. Where does the government directly allot funds for the obligatory works of the village panchayat? A. To these works. B. To the state government only. C. To the citizens directly. D. To international organizations. The correct answer is A. To these works. What action should be avoided when crossing the road hastily? A. Walking slowly. B. Running. C. Using a pedestrian crossing. D. Looking both ways. The correct answer is B. Running. What term refers to all non-citizens or non-nationals residing in a country, such as tourists and foreign students? A. Immigrant. B. Alien. C. National. D. Citizen. The correct answer is B. Alien. What is the maximum number of pillion riders allowed on a two-wheeler? A. 1. B. 2. C. None. D. 3. The correct answer is A. 1. In a republic, who serves as the head of state? A. A prime minister appointed for life. B. A hereditary ruler. C. An elected or nominated president. D. A monarch. The correct answer is C. An elected or nominated president. What is the meaning of seculum, from which the word secularism is derived? A. A religious doctrine. B. An age or the spirit of an age. C. A belief system. D. A ruling power. The correct answer is B. An age or the spirit of an age. Which authority has the power to prohibit an endorser from endorsing a misleading advertisement? A. The Legal Metrology Department. B. The Bureau of Indian Standards. C. The Consumer Protection Act, 1986. D. The CCPA. The correct answer is D. The CCPA. How are MLAs chosen for election? A. They are nominated by political parties. B. They are selected by a central committee. C. They are appointed by the governor. D. They are chosen from different constituencies. The correct answer is D. They are chosen from different constituencies. Which body within the Council of Ministers is responsible for formulating government policy? A. Tribunal. B. Cabinet. C. Resolution. D. Legislature. The correct answer is B. Cabinet. What is one potential effect of alcohol on driving? A. Increased awareness of surroundings. B. Enhanced concentration. C. Improved reaction time. D. Impaired judgment and coordination. The correct answer is D. Impaired judgment and coordination. Which article of the Constitution abolishes conferred titles? A. Article 17. B. Article 16. C. Article 18. D. Article 19. The correct answer is C. Article 18. Approximately how many people might one legislative constituency have? A. 50,000. B. 1 lakh or more. C. Less than 10,000. D. Exactly 1 million. The correct answer is B. 1 lakh or more. Where is the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission located? A. Kolkata. B. New Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is B. New Delhi. What is the phrase used to describe the variety of racial types existing in India? A. Racial homogeneity. B. Cultural mosaic. C. Ethnological museum. D. Unity in uniformity. The correct answer is C. Ethnological museum. What is one requirement to become a gunner? A. Must be over 60 years old. B. Must be a lawyer. C. Must have served as a chief minister. D. Must be a citizen of India. The correct answer is D. Must be a citizen of India. What period constituted the most idealistic phase of India's foreign policy? A. 1970s and 1980s. B. 1990s and 2000s. C. 1930s and 1940s. D. 1950s and 1960s. The correct answer is D. 1950s and 1960s. What is Part 3 of the Constitution rightly described as? A. The Magna Carta of India. B. The Directive Principles. C. The Emergency Provisions. D. The Preamble. The correct answer is A. The Magna Carta of India. Besides glass factories, what other industry is mentioned where children are made to work? A. Textile mills. B. Food processing plants. C. Matchbox factories. D. Pharmaceutical labs. The correct answer is C. Matchbox factories. What authority does a body referred to as government possess? A. To veto all legislation. B. To only interpret laws. C. To make and enforce laws. D. To only advise on laws. The correct answer is C. To make and enforce laws. What is the subject matter of the text related to parties and elections? A. Political systems. B. Economic policies. C. Social welfare programs. D. Judicial procedures. The correct answer is A. Political systems. What is listed as a manifestation of domestic violence related to children? A. Child abuse. B. Child trafficking. C. Child exploitation. D. Child marriage. The correct answer is A. Child abuse. Gender is mentioned as a basis for what phenomenon? A. Economic development. B. Scientific discovery. C. Inequality and untouchability. D. Artistic expression. The correct answer is C. Inequality and untouchability. How did you score?